Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what we Kirby people loves to eat, and today is Sunday and I went for grocery shopping. So what are the things I brought and what are the things I love to eat, I'm just going to share with you. So let us do unboxing of our vegetable market saman. Chalo dekhte hain. So guys, this is hand cream. Place what are the things I brought. I'm going to keep it this hanger. So the first thing is that this is called dung cake in our language. This is dung cake in Assamese. This is very popular leaves curry in Assam, in Karbi Anglong, in all over maybe northeast. So this is one item, fern leaves. These cost three bundles 10 rupees, and this cost pumpkin, small pumpkin 20 rupees. 20 rupees. These are all summer subjis. Cucumber, and this is jute leaves, morapat. So costly. Jute leaves, elephant apple, plim plum. We call this plim plum. This is 5 rupees. 5 rupees each. And this is compared to that tomato. This tomato is very organic and very sour. This taste is much original. That is just for the color. And this is local. This better not to show because it is still uncooked. This is pork, and this is fish. And after that, this is coriander. So many polythene, my god. This is coriander. And last but not the least, this is local curd, doi. So after eating all a meal, this curd we are going to eat with sugar. This will be mixed with sugar. See how the oh my god, it's still cool. This is not kept in fridge, but this is naturally it cool down to the curd inside. So tum lahai bang ke jo themuke la bang inglong a themuke lo nang tum ta chu titi body themuke ke la bang ke. This is Siloni fruits. This is a bit sweet and sure. This is we don't usually find in the plain areas, but it can be found especially in Meghalaya, in Hamren, and this is called Pilangdung, and this is called Hanche, and this is maize, you know it, and this my mom, she did a gardening back home and she brought all this for me. That's all for today's video, friends. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy Sunday. So, that's all my friends for today's little video of sharing what we eat, what we love to eat, and these are the few clips, sneak peek of our vegetable shopping of Sunday. So bye bye, take care, have a wonderful Sunday, blessed Sunday to everyone.